city of Chester. And I'm going to ask my friend, my counterpart from Philadelphia, Mayor Nutter, to step up and say a few words.
Mayor Butler, thank you very, very much. And there's been a lot said, so I'll be uncharacteristically short. And to Commissioner Don Garber, you mentioned earlier, and the ownership group has mentioned, it took 12 years to get to this point. All I can tell you is that we may have been a little slow showing up, but when we do, we kick butt. So therefore, I look forward to spending a lot of time down here. This is what true economic development and partnerships are all about, to make southeastern Pennsylvania and all of Pennsylvania the great places that we know it can be. Thank you very much.
Thank you, mayors. Almost done. We got to bring up, you've heard from the fan group Sons of Ben. I mean, these guys are unbelievable, and gals. They went to the championship game last year. We didn't even have a team yet, okay? And they showed up, and they were razzing New England, right? Buffalo Bills? Yeah. Brian James is the president and founder. Brian, come on up and say a few words. Here he comes, founder, president of Sons of Ben.
Wow, I'm honored and humbled to be here today on this historic occasion, and I believe if you saw the Sons of Ben coming in today, you saw them, most of their necks adorned with a scarf, as is the soccer tradition throughout the world. I wanted to take a moment to ask the ownership group to come up. We have created special scarves for today, and I wanted to thank them by extending scarves to all of them.
Thanks, Brian. That's about it for the program, but we're going to raise these shades right now as you leave, and you can turn to the left and you can see where this beautiful complex will reside. The jewel, of course, will be that soccer stadium, almost 20,000 strong, and that's where the Sons of Ben will call home, in addition to the Philadelphia team. So we thank you for coming, and let's go Philadelphia and Chester. Thank you.
raise what's left of the flag from me.